All right, so Unit 2 review. This is problems number 7 through 10. So number 7 and 8, I give you the x-intercepts already. You just have to go through, plot them. You can see I already did that in number 7 and 8. That's the easier part. Nobody had trouble with that. And now you have to draw it in. So number 7, I notice that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 different x values given to you. So that means that this is an x to the 4th. Tells me that a is greater than 0, so that means this is going to be a regular x to the 4th. So it's going to look like a W. So it's going to come down. It's going to pass through each one of these points. Right? None of them were a double root, so none of them are going to bounce. It's just going to pass through each one of those points. Number 8, very similar, but this time in number 8 there was a double root at 8, and it said a was less than 0. So that means this has to be an upside down. And we have to figure out the degree. There's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's an upside down x to the 5th. So it's coming down. It's going to pass through each one of these until I get to that 8, and then it's going to bounce all the way down to my double root. Number 9 and 10, this is the synthetic division. I already have this set up for us here. All right, so remember you have to take all the coefficients, write them out, 3, 20, 29, negative 12, and number 9. And it's always the opposite of what this is. Set this equal to 0 and solve, you get the negative 3. Bring your first 3 down, you get negative, and then multiply, you get negative 9. Add together, and you get 11. Multiply, negative 33. Add, you get negative 4. Multiply, you get 12. Add, you get 0. So my result is 3x squared plus 11x minus 4. Again, I'm only asking for the synthetic division. I'm not solving anything, so that's the complete answer there. And then I normally ask you whether that is a solution, and the answer there is obviously yes. This is a solution because the remainder is 0. Number 10, very similar. Notice there's a 0 here because it's missing the x squared term. Pull down to 6. Multiply, you get 24. Pull down, add those two together, you get 24. Multiply, and you get 96. Add, you get 94. Multiply, and that's 376. Add, you get 371. Clearly not 0 at the end there, so this is not going to be a solution. When you rewrite, you get 6x squared plus 24x plus 94 plus 371 over the x minus 4. And again, that was not a solution there.